Hello, friends. Just taking a nap in my bean field.
Look at all these beans. Some people are shutting their gardens down this time of year, but they really should be ramping them up. Great time of year for beans and cabbages and lettuces. And as you can see, lots of tomatoes still growing if you kept them alive. Garden's still going strong. It's time to deadhead these sunflowers and hope that maybe they'll rebloom. Probably should have done this a little earlier, but they're loaded with seeds now. So the chickens are gonna enjoy that. Simba! Now this here is a Russian mammoth. It is strong. It has the fear of God. This is my tomato and pepper jungle. It's been producing all year. I had a shade cloth over it. I just removed it here on September 3rd. It's been a little tough trying to keep them tied up, but they just keep on producing. Bell peppers. These are the Red Knight variety from Johnny Seeds. Best variety of bell pepper I've ever grown. And over here you got some Buena Mulatas. They're really hot. Tabasco pepper. And they're really going in for their final flush before the cold weather might set in October. So they'll still have lots of peppers to produce. Look at these tall jalapeno plants. They haven't been affected at all by the shade of the tomatoes and the blueberry plant back there that's dead because my wife thinks you can grow blueberries in Kansas. But I tried to tell her. Well, I thought I've grown some tall jalapeno plants in the past, but this is a new record. You know, I'm about 7 foot tall, and this thing is, another 6 inches to a foot taller than I am, so that's a tall jalapeno plant. And it's been, producing all sorts. Sometimes people say, oh, it gets too many leaves and not enough peppers, but this has everything. Leaves, peppers, everything. Dang garden expert. Way in the back here, I've had the Sun Gold cherry tomato. Good. But it's folded over on both sides. It goes that way like 10 feet, this way 10 feet. I gotta give it its own spot next year because it's a bully. And I don't like bullies.